Good day, ma'am and sir. I'm Janet De La Cruz, and I'm 35 years old, and I'm from Davao City, Philippines. I have two sons and three daughters. My highest educational attainment is high school graduate, and my hobbies are cooking, baking, and I'm also a pet lover. My, my expertise is taking care of the children and elderly. I work a domestic helper in Saudi Arabia in 3 years and 4 months. I serve four couples and two children. My duties are taking care of the children and elderly. I do cooking, cleaning, ironing, cash washing, and also a marketing. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to save and earn money for my family. To my future employer, ma'am and sir, please choose me as your housemaid because I'm an obedient and kind and honest woman. I'm willing to take care of elderly and newborn baby. And I promise, ma'am and sir, I prioritize my job and I promise I finish 2 years contract or more. Ma'am and sir, I'm looking forward to work with you. Thank you.